Welcome back again. We are at 10th standard textbook, Tamil Nadu State Board. The second topic. This is the second video regarding the 10th standard textbook. So in this video, we are going to study about the relations. Relations. So as you know, how to write relation. The example is perfectly given to us. New Delhi is the capital of India. As you see in your textbook, New Delhi is the capital of India. So instead of capital of India, they have written the symbol called R that represent the relation. The relation is nothing but that it is the capital of India. And this in order pair can be written as New Delhi, India. So this is how the relation being introduced. Okay. So next we come to this progress check, which will help us to understand more about relation. There is a set called A, which states 1, 2, 3, 4. B, which state ABC. So as you see the first example, so relation which forms a relation A to B. So this is being specified that it should be from A to B. So the relation being specified from A to B, it is 1 to B is there. This is a relation. 1 to C is also A to B. 3 to A is also A to B. 4 to B is also A to B. So this is perfectly the relation as I am writing as R. Now as we see second example, 1 to A, yes. B to 4. Now the relation is being mentioned from A to B, not B to A. So B to 4, because there is no B in A set, so B to 4 is not being a relation. So it is not a relation. So you can complete that. Relation can be illustrated in the form of this pictorial diagram. So already the data are given in the tabulated values, and it is being stated as it should be from relation should be from height to the student. So we write height to the student. So height, if it is 4.5, it is student 4. So 4.5 student 1, they have written 1 and 4 both have same height. So there can be two values, height and the student. So 4.5 student 1, 5.2 student 2, 5 student 3, 4.5 student 4. So all these values are given. So now the definition of relation is being given to you. Let A and B any two non-empty set. A is related from A to B, the subset of A cross B satisfying some specific condition. If X belongs to A is related to Y belongs to B through R, then we write X R Y. So if X is in A and Y is in B, and the relation is from A to B, relation is from A to B, so it is like this, A cross B. So it is from A to B. So it should be written in the form of X R Y. So X R Y if and only if X comma Y belongs to R. So this relation is possible only when X comma Y should belongs to R. They should be element of R. So as of definition, it is not important for the exam point of view, but to understand the concept, it is very important. Okay, next, as we come to relation, there are three things we need to explain. So we will go back to the illustration diagram. So for relation, we are given height and the student. Okay, now they are asking about the domain. So as we say domain, it is a relation R. So this is called as domain. X belongs to R for some X R to Y. So this is domain. This is codomain. Okay, so from will always be a domain and 2 will always be codomain. So from it, because it is given that X related to Y, so it is from A to B, so it becomes the relation R. X belongs to A, X related to Y for some Y belongs to B. Okay, then we come to codomain. So as I stated here, it is called as codomain. So B will be called as codomain. The range. Now this is very important. As we come to range is always equal to B, and range will be the subset of B. Range will totally be contained in B. So all the values in B will be among the range. Okay, so this, so in Relations understanding range is very important. So all the values of codomain will be the range. Now next, they can be subset also. Next, they have explained a particular type of relation that is called as null relation. So if we consider an element from A to B and none of the relation is formed, if the relation becomes empty, no such relation is formed, and if it is become empty, then this kind of relation is called as null relation. So as far as problems are concerned, problems are already solved. It is in the playlist. You can very well check the problems in playlist. Okay, so this is the concept of exercise 1.2. Thank you. Please subscribe if you like.